The Belvedere Community Association Rain Barrel Project was made possible by a grant from the Chesapeake Bay Trust.
Just basic craft acrylic paint, and I use these just to, paint as much as possible, and child labor. This gloss, this is where we went wrong. This gloss worked great. As you can see, it worked great, but we used this sponge. This is what my friend told me. We used this to put the gloss on, and it kind of was a little too rough on the paint, so definitely use a brush, like a standard brush. But a brush, yeah, like a standard brush. That's what, because that's what took it off. And this is the gloss right here. Okay. And we just waited until it was dry. We did it all in one day. Mm-hmm. We only did one coat of the gloss. I think it'd be enough, but the directions may have said two. We'll see how it goes. But it actually turned out kind of nice, in that the blue's kind of like popping through a little bit.
Oh,
so
I didn't even notice that was the blue from underneath popping through. Yeah,
that's because we use this sponge. But that's it, and I have a ton of colors and sponges.
How did you clean the barrel first?
Oh yes, I'm sorry. We did clean the barrel just with a washcloth, wet washcloth, and just
get the dirt off.
Got the dirt off. There wasn't a ton. Some of them had a little bit more than others, but the clear coat was definitely strong, so definitely do this outside.
Yeah. Okay.
Be quick about it. It's very sticky. Very sticky, which you want it to be. We also just used a plastic drop cloth and had it on the grass, and we did this all in one day.